I guess here most of them get answer 30 for this problem in wrong order. Now 10 minus 2 power 3 is 8 in bracket whole power 2 plus 6 times 3. Here 10 minus 8 is 2 to the power of 2 plus 6 times 3. Here 2 power 2 is 4 plus 6 times 3. Here 4 plus 6 is 10 times 3. Here 10 times 3 is 30 is the wrong answer. As per this order of operation, this 30 is the wrong answer. Here we are going to introduce this PEMDAS rule from order of operation to solve this problem in correct order. This is a bracket higher priority. This is exponent. M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, S stands for subtraction. Here multiplication, division both are equal priority. Also this addition, subtraction both are equal priority. For this equal priority, we are going to introduce this left to right rule in the problem. Now we are going to solve this problem in correct order by using this order of operations PEMDAS. Yes, for this order of operations PEMDAS, this bracket is higher priority. So we have to do this bracket before this operation. Here we have a subtraction and exponent. Here exponent is higher priority than this subtraction. So we have to do this exponent before this subtraction. Here 10 minus 2 power 3 is 8 in bracket whole power 2 plus 6 times 3. Here 10 minus 8 is 2 power 2 plus 6 times 3. The next priority is exponent. So we have to do this exponent before this addition and multiplication. Here 2 power 2 is 4 plus 6 times 3. Here the next priority is multiplication and division. So we have to do this multiplication before this addition. Here plus here 6 times 3 is 18. Here 4 plus 18 is 22 is the correct answer.